Disney Wonder, here I come!
We can check in the lockets in the hotel.
This is the bus take us to the cruise. We are boarding from San Diego Port.
Disney Wonder, please welcome aboard the whole family.
Look at the beautiful Christmas decorations. This is Cabanas, so many food to choose.
Get something to eat first and then play.
Let's take a look of our stateroom. The shower and restroom are separated. Wow, this is a nice room. We can look at the beautiful view from the window. This is my favorite part. I love going swimming. Unlimited ice cream to enjoy. You can have different food from here too. For safety, we must complete the drill.
Abandoned ship. The order will be given verbally by the captain over the PA system on the...
This is a sail away party. I'm hungry again. Magic showtime!
Here's a large song. The man who is the baker in half. After a few stops, more and more people.
Time for shopping!
Jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.
The best part of the day is tree lighting ceremony.
I just love spending these magical holidays at sea.
Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is my first dinner on cruise.
Wow! 他做给我的是 penguin， 还有送给我巧克力。This is my first day in Wonder. I ate a lot. I had lots of fun. I am so tired now. Thank you for watching Daphenity. Good night.